expenses, and you have to create new expense. So that was it for recruitment pass. Now you are doing the expense thing. So you are creating, you have to go to configuration setting. From here you have to select both the uh, check boxes, and then you have to go to, got it, time off also. Time off also is also an application that we need. uh, Wait a minute, have some patience. Okay, so this is done. Now you will go to configuration expense products. Expense products are like, what are the expenses normally? Lunch, I will say air travel. Air travel. And now I will say its service, and the sales price is 5000 suppose, and internal difference, all this uh, SK1. Yeah, this is not compulsory to write, but just in case we need it. Now you have to go to my expenses, and you have to create a new expense. Suppose you are going for a business trip, travel. So you are creating a new expense, business travel, and the product is air travel. Now the product is air travel, and the unit price is 5000, and quantity is there are like, quantity means how many people are going. There are 5 people are going, and bills of reference, I think S01 only. And yeah, click save. Now what you have to do, you have to attach a document over here, any document. I'm just, and now you have to there is one document here. After this, it's a bit difficult. I don't know, you have to create a document from here also. Like, you can create a document from here, but let it be, just forget it. Now you have to, what you have to do is, you have to go to document modules. uh, um, no, you don't need this, just forget, skip this part. Till now I'm sure, now it's little bit difficult. So that was how to create a expense. Now you have to submit to manager. In the expense module only, you have to click on create report, and in the click report you have to go submit to manager, then approve, then post journal entries, then you have to register the payment with the payment method. All these things you have to write, bank, validate. And now, yes, so this much. Okay, till now I think we are on the right track. Let's see what's going to happen next. Now, so what we have covered, first we have done how to make a recruitment process using website. Second is how to make a expense, and now we are doing is payroll. So you have to go to payroll. The payroll section, you will say employee. Where is the employee? uh, Employee, Mr. Mehta. Employees are there, select Mr. Mehta, Mr. Khanna for example. And what you have to do, you will request an appraisal. The recipient can be anyone from mostly it's the person under which you work, like the manager or someone. That line, okay, and you send the request. Now it will show, click on mail to manager, mail to employee, edit, mail to employee, mail to manager. And who is the manager here? Mr. Khanna is only the manager, and who is, no, the manager is Mr. Sharma. and now mail to okay. So this is an appraisal was requested, please schedule a schedule, okay, all this thing. And now you will go to save, and now okay, I would like to thank Sanya also for giving me the steps. After getting steps also I'm unable to do this properly, sorry for that. And okay, so after this what you had done appraisal. Now you will go to appraisal. uh, so there, see here there is an appraisal. Now what you do, you will just confirm the appraisal from here. You can do it from there also and click on done. Now the appraisal is confirmed. So that's how you create an appraisal. Now yeah, this only this much part is there. All this thing was there. I know it's bit confusing, but just something is better than nothing, right? So it will be helpful for you if you pay a little bit attention to it, and you if you watch it thoroughly. And thank you, this was the last video I think I'm making for the day, and all the best for practicals. Again, thanks to Sania and Rukaya for helping me. Bye.